Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket first up, led by another outstanding bowling display from spinner Gudakesh Moti. The West Indies completed an innings and 4 runs win over Zimbabwe on day 3 of the second and final test in Bulawayo to take the series 1-0. Player of the match, Moti, took 6 for 62 to help dismiss Zimbabwe for 173 in their second innings in the post-T session. The Guyanese ended with 13 wickets in the contest, following up on his 7 for 37 from the first innings. Moti, who was also named the player of the series, secured the best bowling figures in a test match by a West Indies spinner as he went past Sonny Ramadin's 11 for 152 against England in 1950. Captain Craig Irvine top scored for the Zimbabweans with 72, while Innocent Kahea made 43. Alzara Joseph, Jason Holder and Shannon Gabriel all took a wicket each. Earlier, the West Indies were dismissed for 292 in their first innings reply, that is, after resuming on 290 for 8. Holder failed to add to his overnight 3, while fellow overnight batsman Moti was left not out on 12. Victor Nyochi grabbed a career best 5 for 56, while Brandon Mavuta took 3 for 73 for the hosts. So scores in the match: West Indies 292, Zimbabwe 115 and 173. Now, Jamaica's under 17 reggae boys will look to secure their round of 16 spot at the CONCACAF Championship when they take on Guadeloupe in their second group match in Guatemala this afternoon. The match kicks off at 5 p.m. The Jamaicans are atop Group C after outscoring Caribbean neighbors Cuba 4-2 on Sunday in their opening match, and a win today ensures they finish as one of the top 3 teams in the group. Head coach Marin Gordon says despite Guadeloupe losing 2-1 to Costa Rica, it will not be a walkover for the young reggae boys. Jamaica previously qualified for 2 under-17 World Cups, 1999 and 2011. And that is the final whistle, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pula, and join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.